Well, hello, model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Revell, and I got a package today that I've been patiently waiting on. I know many of you guys have too, and some of you guys have already received yours. Mine doesn't look like it fared so well through postage, so we'll see how bad it is. But this is from Hobby Nut Models, and I've been patiently waiting for it, and it arrived today. So let's see how bad it is. So yeah, that box got smashed pretty good, and so let's see what we actually got here. Yep, so it looks like one has definitely survived. That's for sure. Oh, what's this? Oh, little surprise. All right, got some MCW paint. So Acapulco Blue, semi-gloss, enamel hardener, grabber yellow. He did ask me what colors that I was thinking about doing. Gloss black. So I'd mentioned gloss black with silver stripes, Acapulco blue with silver stripes, or grabber yellow, and what was the other color? Gee, my mind went blank. And there was a fourth color, but this is what he had. Let's see, these are, all right, enamels, enamel, 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 and then the hardener, of course. All right, cool. Thank you, Mark. That was a nice surprise. Let's, oh boy. Oh boy. So that one definitely took a beating. Anything else in here? A little bit of packaging. All right, so let's take a peek at the carnage here. Good thing we got two here, huh? All right. Whoa. That's tightly packed. Oh, I don't see any damage there. Oh. Body definitely got it. Oh yeah. Let's see about the rest of it. Definitely see that it got smushed and knocked around. All right, I guess I'll have to examine that a little further, but some of this stuff, so. Oh yeah. Well, that body definitely took a beating. So this one looks like it got a little punctured in the bottom. Let's open this one up, see how this one fared. Well, I definitely would like to thank Mark at Hobby Nut Models for these, as he sponsors the channel, and he provided these. but I did have to wait like everybody else for him to get them in. All right, this body looks good. Definitely see where it's been poking into the bag quite a bit there, all these pieces. So definitely going to be looking these over. All right. All right, that's my quick look here and if I got any damages on these. So definitely got one good one. And I will contact Revell and ask about another body. And we'll definitely thoroughly go through and check this one out and see how it is contents wise as far as the parts go, and we'll look into that one. So I'm not gonna try on that one at the moment, so that's a nice nice box there. But definitely appreciate the paints, and we'll see what color I end up going for in these. So we'll give these MCW finishes a try here and see what I think of those compared to the scale finishes that I'm using quite a bit, and decide what color I ended up going with and play with. Let's see. Oh, that's the one the paints are in. Okay. So we'll I'll conclude this here for the moment, because I will dig out my MPC kits, because I've got 3 of those. I plan on doing a video of the kit contents of this, which I know others have done the kit contents, but I will look it over and give you what my thoughts are, and then I'll also compare it and talk about the history of the MPC 71s as well, you know, and just kind of give you thoughts and comparisons. But you know, it's kind of you know, an unfair comparison, because this brand new tooling, all the advancements in technology and everything that's into this one compared to that one. So a brief history: that 71 MPC Mach 1, which is what it came out of originally, and then was changed into the 72 and 73 annuals, been through a couple of customs. But even that, even though it was brand new body for 1971, a lot of the parts in there and bits are actually from the 69 Mach 1. So it's that truly, even though it was a brand new 1971 annual, it wasn't an all-new tool for 71 on the MPC kit. So it actually dates back to 69 Mach 1, and that'll explain why some of the parts are in that kit the way they are. And it's been modified and reissued many times. And my kits start in the 80s, when it became the Boss 351 Mustang, when it first appeared that way, and then some of the newest reissues and some of the modifications. So I'll be doing that video with this kit, and then I will be building one of these. I do plan to build both of them, of course, but I'm going to ask Revell for another body, and we'll go from there on that one. But I'll be building this one eventually. Or pretty soon, actually, because I'm pretty excited about this kit. So stay tuned on all of that, and we'll see how this goes. Again, check the video link in the description below for Hobby Nut Models, and thank them for sending me these kits. I really do appreciate it, and it really helps the channel, and you know, that's pretty nice and everything. So you guys will see what's going on and everything with this. But meanwhile, I'll figure out what color combo I want to do, and you guys throw in the video description what color combo you'd like to see, because I mean, with all the factory colors of this kit, you really can't go wrong. But for me, it's one of the reasons why I wanted to was I want to do one with silver stripes and one with the black stripes, even though my NPCs were all black stripes. But I really want to do one with the silver stripes. So got the blue and black, so I can do either one of those two combos. And then there was the dark, not Highland green, but it was a dark green like that, metallic. I believe that was the third option with the silver stripes. I'm trying to remember if there was 4. I have to brush up on my history of this kit because, I mean, that's going off of memory, and I got a ton of crap in that brain of this kind of stuff here. But I know blue, black came with silver stripes and the underbody, and then green, and there may have been one other color. I can't think of what it is right now. But at least those 3 came with the silver, and then all the rest of them came with the black stripes, no white stripes. But anyway, give me your comments and your thoughts and what you'd like to see and what you'd like me to do. Cut this into a convertible or everything. But yeah, hey Jerry, you need a body? Jerry Chevalier, anyway. Because he said the first thing he's going to do when he gets this kit is put a coupe roof on it. But, you know, it really would need a lot of work on the back half. The quarters are different. The trunk lid's different. There's quite a bit different between the two. But anyway, let him master that, or watch Revell come out with that version later. But anyway, thank you for tuning in, subscribing, and all your comments. I really do appreciate it. And you guys, you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next Saturday.